Hello students, in previous part we have seen that there are three different regions in the body of a cockroach. These three regions are head, thorax and abdomen. But we have already described that neck is also present. This is short neck which connect head to thorax. But as we seen visible from the upper side, the neck is not seen. This is because the thorax zone is covered the neck, but neck is present. A short neck is present. Thorax which attached to head to the abdomen, and there are three region of thorax: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Prothorax, this is the upper zone which towards the head. Mesothorax, this is the middle zone, and metathorax, this is the lower zone. Firstly we discussed on, for example, this is the triangular surface. This is the head of the cockroach, and there are one pair of compound eyes present in the cockroach, one pair of antenna, 6 segments present in head as we have already discussed. The neck is present, but the thorax portion covered the neck. There are three zones. This one is the prothorax, middle is mesothorax, and last one is metathorax. Through this zone, thoracic cavity, thoracic cavity भी बोल सकते हैं. Thoracic cavity के there are 3 pairs of leg arises from each part of the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity के प्रत्येक part से दोनों तरफ, one towards the left and one is towards the right, one pair of leg arises in the cockroach which help in the walking. एक पेयर लेग अराइज होते हैं, और लेग जो होते हैं इसमें सेगमेंटेड होते हैं. These are the one pair of leg arises from the each thoracic cavity, from one pair from prothorax, one from mesothorax and one from metathorax each side. So this one is the arises from the prothorax zone, so it is known as prothoracic leg. Prothoracic legs. The legs are used for walking, and this one arises from the mesothorax, so it is known as mesothoracic leg. And this one arises from the metathorax, so it is known as metathoracic leg. From each zone of the thorax cavity, one pair of leg arises. So different means you can say that 3 pairs of legs are found in the cockroach towards one each side, and 2 types of wings present in the cockroach. Cockroach के अंदर 2 प्रकार के wings होते हैं. Wings जो 2 pairs में arises होते हैं, वो 2 pairs प्रोथोरेक्स से नहीं, मेसोथोरेक्स, मतलब कहां से, प्रोथोरेक्स के मेसोथोरेक्स से, और दूसरा जो होगा मेसो और मेटाथोरेक्स की जो कैविटी है यहां से अराइज होते हैं. 2 pairs ऑफ, यू कैन सी दैट 3, फर्स्टली क्या है, इन थोरेकिक कैविटी से 3 pairs ऑफ लेग्स अराइजेस इन कॉकरोच. एंड सेकंड वन इज 2 pairs of wings also arises in cockroach. The first wing which covered the body, that is dark brown color, which arises from the cavity of prothoracis and mesothoracis. this one I said. This is the brown color, the wing which covered whole the body of the cockroach. This is the called this brown colored wing, one towards the right and one from the left. One pair of brown colored which cover all the body of the cockroach. Brown colored wings, that is the upper side. This is known as tegmina. This wing is called tegmina or elytra, which is dark brown in color. The function of this type of wing is only to protect, or you can say that to cover the body of the cockroach, to protect. And one more pair of wings arises from the cavity of mesothoracis and metathoracis. One pair of wings arises from the cavity of mesothoracis and metathoracis. This is transparent wings, one towards the right and one towards the left. Two pairs of wings arises, one from the cavity of prothoracis and mesothoracis, and second one is meso and metathoracis cavity. The upper wings are wider, as well as you can say that dark brown color, which is known as tegmina or elytra, and the lower wings, that is transparent. What is the role of tegmina or elytra? To protect it, cover all the body of cockroach, and this pair of wings help in the flight, or you can say flighting of cockroach. So in thoracic cavity there are two types of appendages arises. One is the leg aperture. Legs are also present in segmented. Legs segmented. We will discuss later which type of segments are present in these legs. Three pairs of leg arises from the thoracic cavity, and two pairs of wings also arises in the from the thoracic cavity. Upper, that is dark brown color, which that type of wing is known as tegmina or elytra. The function of this type of wing is to protect the cockroach, or you can say that to cover the whole body of the cockroach. And the lower wings, that when they flap, this is the transparent wing that helps in the flighting of the cockroach. As the flight wings arises, मतलब flight wing जैसे constricted हो जाएंगे तो जो rest position में होगा तो जो dark wing है वो तो also cover the whole body of the cockroach. This is the thoracic cavity. And last one is abdomen. Abdomen of the cockroach is also segmented. You can see that this one is structures. The abdomen of a cockroach is segmented structure, and there are 10 segments found in each male, whether the cockroach is male or whether it is female. There are 10 segments present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 segments present in the abdominal cavity of the cockroach, whether the cockroach is male or it is female. This is the head, thorax and abdominal features which are present in the cockroach. How the male and female cockroach are different from each other, and what is the structure of mouth, and what are the appendages of mouth present in the cockroach, we will discuss in the next part.